Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to share with you how to say nice to see you. Okay, when you meet someone in English, you say nice to see you, how do you do, nice to meet you, etc. And how to say in Arabic? Okay, here the expressions we use in Arabic. Okay, the first expression we use, you can say surirtu bima'rifatik. Marhaban means hi. Surirtu, I am happy, I am pleased. Bima'rifatik, to see you. Surirtu bima'rifatik, nice to see you. If you're speaking with a man, you say bima'rifatika. If a woman, you say bima'rifatiki. But you don't need to pronounce. You can say just surirtu bima'rifatik. Marhaban, surirtu bima'rifatik. Nice to see you. Okay, the next expression we can use is tasharraftu bima'rifatik. It means the same, nice to see you. Marhaban, tasharraftu bima'rifatik. Hi, nice to see you. Next expression you can use su'idtu biliqa'ik. Marhaban, su'idtu biliqa'ik. Biliqa'ik, it's like saying meet you. Nice to meet you. Su'idtu biliqa'ik. Nice to meet you. Okay. We can also say tasharraftu biliqa'ik. Marhaban, tasharraftu biliqa'ik. Or we can use the most simple one here. Just say tasharrafna, marhaban, tasharrafna, hi, nice to see you. Okay, so we have learned how to say nice to see you in Arabic. Okay, I think that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.